This water-cooled PC will cost a kidney and a liver. This is one of the best PCs we have ever built, with the top GPU, the RTX 4090, and one of the best CPUs, the Intel i9-13900K. Now that we have the motherboard in the case, it's time to plan our loop, starting with the Bisky distro plate fixed at the back of the PC for an extra impressive look. The radiators for this water-cooled PC will be two Bisky RC Series 360s, paired with the Lian Li Uni fans. With these two radiators now installed in the case, it is time to unbox the emperor of the graphics cards,